Hey there, YouTube explorers. Curious about harnessing artificial intelligence to earn passive income? You're in the right. Today, we're embarking on a cosmic journey into the realm of faceless YouTube channels powered by AI and ChatGPT. Exciting, isn't it? A universe where you can create, influence, and earn, all while keeping your identity a cosmic secret. Imagine the thrill of your AI-driven content reaching millions while you remain an enigmatic mastermind. And the supernova in this galaxy of opportunities, it's not just about creative fulfillment, but also a potential goldmine for passive income. Watch till the end and I will reveal the secret to launching your own automated, faceless channel. But before we blast off, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more extraordinary content like this. Ready to launch? Let's get started. Welcome back, folks. Have you ever entertained the notion of earning passive income through a faceless YouTube channel with the help of artificial intelligence? Welcome to the intriguing realm of faceless channels, augmented by the power of AI. Here, you can create, influence, and earn without ever revealing your identity, aided by intelligent algorithms. Doesn't that make you feel like a modern-day superhero? These AI-driven channels offer a unique blend of anonymity and scalability. Anonymity because with AI you're the wizard behind the curtain, pulling the strings without stepping into the limelight. Scalability because without the pressure of being a persona, AI allows you to focus on creating diverse content even across multiple channels. Just think about it, the liberty of expressing your creativity without the worry of public scrutiny, the exhilaration of seeing your AI-powered work reach millions while you remain an enigma. And the cherry on top is not just about creative satisfaction. Along with capabilities, it's also a potential goldmine for passive income. So, are you ready to dive into the AI-enhanced world of faceless YouTube channels? The first step is to choose your niche, but how do you decide? Well, the key lies in the utilization of AI tools like ChatGPT. This technology can help you identify the intersection between your passions and the market demands, making it an excellent assistant in setting up a faceless automated YouTube channel. Think of it as employing a digital helper to choose the most fertile ground for your ideas. The healthier the soil, the better your plants will grow. So, how can ChatGPT help you find the perfect niche? It's simple. By feeding this AI tool your interests and market trends, it can analyze and find a balance between the two. You might love classical music, but if the demand for it is low, it won't be the most lucrative niche for channel. Here, ChatGPT can help you find another passion of yours that aligns better with market trends. On the flip side, you should avoid jumping onto a trend you have no interest in, as your lack of passion might seep into your content quality. ChatGPT can hint you towards trends that align with your interests. Let's look at some examples of successful niches identified using AI for faceless channels, such as life hacks, animated stories, educational content, and product reviews. These are all niches that can be profitable, easy to automate, and don't require your face to be shown. However, remember that choosing the right niche is not just about making money, it's about creating a channel that you'll enjoy operating and that provides value to its viewers, all while standing the test of time. So use tools like ChatGPT, take your time, do your research, and remember, a niche that aligns with your passion and market demand is like a goldmine waiting to be discovered. Remember, a well-chosen niche with the aid of AI is half the battle won. Now let's delve into how artificial intelligence, AI, can assist in creating content, forming the backbone of your channel for passive income. The significance of quality content created using AI cannot be emphasized enough. It is the lifeblood of your channel, the powerhouse that fuels viewership and engagement. It's what captivates viewers to click on your video, keep them watching, and even make them return for more. So, how do we use AI to create such engaging content? Begin by utilizing AI to source content. You're not expected to create everything from ground zero. AI can leverage an abundance of resources available online. These could be articles, blogs, or even other videos. But remember, the essential aspect is to add value. Don't merely reproduce what's already out there. Give it your unique angle, your outlook, make it valuable, make it distinctive. Now, using AI to create content need not be an intimidating task. There are numerous AI tools available to simplify the process. For instance, you can use text-to-speech software for voiceovers, AI-driven video editing software for the visuals, and even graphic design tools powered by machine learning for thumbnails. The secret is to experiment with these AI tools and find what fits perfectly for your channel. But employing AI to generate excellent content is just a part of the equation. The other part is automating content creation through AI. This is where the automated faceless YouTube channel makes sense. AI-powered automation tools can streamline the process, saving you precious time and energy. They can schedule posts, manage your content calendar, and even assist with SEO. Automation powered by AI is your partner in maintaining consistency and efficiency. Consistency is pivotal in the YouTube ecosystem. It's not just about regular posting, but also maintaining a consistent theme and quality across your videos. Consistency helps build your brand, retain viewers, and draw new ones. It's what makes your channel trustworthy, something your viewers can anticipate. Let's sum it up. Create quality content by employing AI to source valuable resources and adding your unique touch. Use AI tools to make the process smoother and more efficient. Automate as much as you can using AI to maintain consistency. Because at the end of the day, it's all about the content. Great content generated with the help of AI is what will set you apart. Scene script. Next, we delve into the world of artificial intelligence, AI, and its role in optimizing your YouTube channel for passive income. Unlike traditional methods, AI optimization focuses on automating the process, making it more efficient and less time-consuming. In the realm of SEO or search engine optimization, AI can analyze vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and trends to determine the most effective keywords. These are not just popular search terms, but highly specific words and phrases your potential viewers are likely to use. Implement these keywords into your video titles, descriptions, and tags to increase visibility. Talking about descriptions, a well-crafted one can attract viewers and enhance your SEO. AI can help here too by writing optimized descriptions that include your keywords while providing a compelling summary of your content. Thumbnails, the first visual impression of your video, also benefit from AI. AI can create custom, eye-catching thumbnails based on your content, making them more engaging and accurate. Consistency is another important aspect of growing your channel. AI can automate the posting process, ensuring a regular schedule that keeps your viewers engaged and attracts new ones. Lastly, AI can also handle viewer engagement by automatically responding to comments, asking for likes and shares, and prompting viewers to subscribe. This not only boosts your channel's visibility, but also fosters a sense of community around your content. Remember, these are not one-off tasks, but continuous efforts. With AI, you can continually refine and experiment, learning from the data gathered. AI optimization is key to creating passive income. With these AI strategies, you are now equipped to optimize your YouTube channel for greater visibility, growth, and passive income. Now that we're done with the basics, let's delve into money matters. How do you monetize a faceless YouTube channel? Well, there are multiple routes to explore, and with the advent of artificial intelligence, new opportunities are cropping up. One such opportunity is the use of ChatGPT, or Generative Pre-training Transformer. ChatGPT can revolutionize your monetization strategy. Let's delve into how it can help you earn passive income. Firstly, ChatGPT can engage with your audience like a human, responding to comments and queries, thereby boosting viewer engagement. High viewer engagement is crucial to earn significant income through AdSense. Secondly, ChatGPT can provide valuable insights into your preferences. It can analyze comments and identify trends, helping you tailor your content to your audience's preferences. This can lead to a higher number of views, more ad revenue, and potential sponsorships. Brands are often looking for channels that resonate with their target audience. When your content is precisely what your viewers want, brands might approach you for partnerships. You could endorse their products in your videos and get paid for it. Just remember, authenticity is vital. Only promote products you genuinely endorse to maintain trust with your viewers. Another way ChatGPT can help monetize your channel is by assisting in creating merchandise. It can generate catchy phrases or slogans based on your content, which you can turn into merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, posters, anything your audience might want to buy. This not only creates another income stream, but also strengthens your brand. Lastly, ChatGPT can help manage premium content. This could be exclusive videos, behind-the-scenes content, or early access to new videos. Your loyal viewers might be willing to pay a small fee for these perks. These are just some ways ChatGPT can aid in monetizing a faceless YouTube channel. Each method has its advantages and disadvantages. The key is to experiment and see what works best for you. Remember, monetization is the ultimate step to earning passive income from your channel. So get inventive, stay consistent, and soon you could be earning significant income from your faceless YouTube channel with the help of ChatGPT. So, what have we learned today? Weave into the intriguing world of successful faceless YouTube channels. At the crux is the choice of your niche, which should ideally synergize your passion and market demand. Your content should be something that you adore creating and that strikes a chord with a wide audience. Furthermore, we explored the skill of producing captivating content. This requires a deep understanding of your audience, engaging storytelling, and a constant flow of novel material. Remember, consistency is the name of the game. Next, we navigated through the process of channel optimization. By capitalizing on AI for SEO, designing an attractive channel layout, and maintaining a dynamic social media presence, you lay the foundation for your channel's success. In the end, we examined the various aspects of channel monetization. Earning passive income from YouTube isn't limited to ad revenue. It extends to brand partnerships and more. Here, AI and ChatGPT can be instrumental in automating interactions, improving engagement, and consequently increasing revenue. Bear in mind that with the right strategy, a faceless YouTube channel backed by intelligent technology can become a significant source of passive income. So, are you ready to embark on your YouTube journey today? That's it for today's guide on creating a faceless YouTube channel for passive income. I hope you found it insightful and that it has sparked your curiosity to delve deeper into the world of faceless YouTube channels. If this video has been beneficial, we'd appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up. Your likes inspire us to continue developing content that aids you in navigating the digital world. And if you're eager to stay informed with more guides like this, hit the subscribe button and become part of our growing community. However, the learning doesn't stop here. We encourage you to delve into the world of AI and ChatGPT for additional avenues of passive income. We have a lot more thrilling content lined up for you, including tips and guides on how to effectively use AI and ChatGPT. And remember to hit the bell icon so that you're notified about our latest videos. The journey towards creating a successful faceless YouTube channel and mastering AI and chat is just a click away. So what are you waiting for? Let's see you in the next one. Thank you for being a part of our journey into the captivating realm of faceless YouTube channels. Our aim with this guide was to arm you with the essential knowledge and kindle the spark for you to launch your own channel. Your appreciation, evidenced by a thumbs up, motivates us to continue crafting content that enriches your voyage in the digital sphere. The quest for knowledge never ceases here. For those eager to delve deeper into content creation and digital marketing, we encourage you to click on the subscribe button. Becoming a part of our expanding community will grant you access to an array of guides and tutorials replicating this one. Here's a sneak peek into what's in store for you. We are gearing up to unveil a riveting series on future of AI and ChatGPT in the realm of passive income. From comprehending SEO to the profound understanding of video editing, we've got you covered. So stay for more insightful content. But remember, subscribing and hitting the bell icon will ensure you are the first to receive updates on our latest content. As guaranteed, do check the description box for some valuable links to kickstart your channel today. We eagerly await your presence in our upcoming video. Until then, here's wishing you happy creating. Hey there, future YouTube stars. We trust you found this guide enlightening and beneficial. If you did, show us some love by smashing that like button. Your feedback is the fuel that drives our creativity and allows us to create more content like this. And you're not part of our growing community of digital creators yet, hit that subscribe button now. You surely do want to miss out on the treasure trove of guides and tutorials we're preparing just for you. Excitingly, our next video will dive into the world of AI, passive income, and ChatGPT. We'll be talking about how tools can revolutionize your digital content creation, so stay tuned. And to ensure you don't miss a thing, don't forget to tap the bell icon for notifications. We're eager to see you in the next video. Until, keep evolving, keep discovering, and keep making your mark.